Hello, everyone. Can you see me? Good evening. If you can see me, say hello. I hope the board will be clearer tonight. I'm trying to look for a sharp marker too. If you can see me, say hello. Good evening, everyone. Please, can you see the board? Is it a bit clear today? Please, can you see the board? If you can see the board, please let me know. I'm having cake. You can share. You can have some. The board. Can we all see the board? Ma, are you eating? Yeah, I'm having some cake. I'm taking cake. You're just far away. I won't be able to give you. Please, can you see the board? Ma, we eat too. Okay, Idris. You are fasting now, Idris. Oh, from screen. Can you see the board now? Is it clear? Is the board clear now? I had to raise this today. Okay, this light is reflecting. Please, can we see the board? Ma, you're enjoying and go to work with you tonight. Yes, you can see the board. Is it clear? Enjoyment. Ma, should I come and join? Please come and join. From the screen. Good evening, ma. Break Taib. Yes, ma. Yes, we can now. Okay, is it better? Ma, you're glowing at home. Oh. Is it better? Please tell me if the screen is better. Tell me if the screen is better tonight. I had to get more lights and eliminated all noise and all other negative factors. Please tell me if you can, if the board is clear. Let me get marker. The board is clear, ma. It depends on the phone the viewer is using it. Okay, I want to write on the board now. You are just smiling because the way you smile also it is clear. Okay, I had to raise the laptop and the webcam today. It is clear. Okay, the board is clear, ma. Yes, it is clear. Olugaye Sunday, why are you sending your matric number? Should I come and clean the board? No. Abdurazak, no. Better, I can see the board clearly. Okay, thank you. Oh, my hand is aching me. Oh. you, everyone. Please, can you see the board? Please type in what I've written on the board. Type in everything I've written on the board. Type in everything I've written on the board. Let's see if you can see the board. Okay, so what topic do you want us to treat in statistics today? I've gotten somebody to take your account. Okay. I've gotten somebody to take your account, but I think we'll schedule the class for tomorrow, Monday. I'm still talking to the guy. Sampling methods. Sampling method is not difficult. Please tell me. Okay. Okay. Please tell me what topic you want us to. Should we do interquartile and quartile range, mean deviation, standard deviation, and variance? Please. We are seeing you live. All is very clear. Okay. We are seeing you live. All is very clear. Okay. Interquartile range. Okay, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Can you see the board? Okay. Interquartile is very clear more than DST. Damilare Adebayo. Maxwell, standard deviation. Okay. But the light is showing on the board. Maybe we should reset it. Okay. Let's see. Like, what about like this? Oh, it's still showing. Okay. How about like this? It's still showing. Oh, this is worse. How about like this? Is this still showing? Huh? The ball. Give me a joke. Is this still showing a bit? How about like this? Okay. Okay, what about like this? Is the board still clear? Well, let's use the one you wrote down yesterday. According to you wrote down your note in the quarter and quarter range, mean of standard deviation. Okay. Zoom a little bit, ma. Tell me what to do. I don't know. What should I do? The light better now. Okay. Damilawe better now. The light is better now, right? The light is still on, but I've moved it away. If you are here now and you have not subscribed to my channel here, you are missing. Oh, please go and tap on that red button and subscribe. I hope you want me to continue teaching you on this platform. Please, everybody should subscribe to my channel. Please try to press on the red button. I want to I want to reach about 5,000 subscribers before the end of this month by God's grace. Excuse me. So if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. I swear with two different for Maxwell. Wow, good. Thank you, Maxwell. Thank you. Thank you, Maxwell, for subscribing with two phones. Okay, I survived with two different phones. Okay, Maxwell. Okay, can we start now? Please say yes if you want us to start now, please. What are you eating? Okay, good evening, everyone. Maxwell, thank you. Ma, 5K subscriber all the way. Yes, so I want 5K. Yes. So subscribe. Let me see. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. How many marks will you give me if I subscribe? Lawa Okiki, no mark for subscription. We are ready. Okay. We are ready. If you are ready, say we are ready. If we are ready, say we are ready. I'm going to clean off the board again so that we start. Damilare Adebayo, no mark, okay? No mark, just subscribe. Bobby, we love you, Ma. Abdusalam, we are ready, we are ready, we are ready. Okay, how many we are ready? If I can get, how many? If I can get 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. I'm going to do giveaway. Don't worry. Somebody is saying I need to do giveaway. I'm going to do giveaway. Giveaway. What do you want? If I can reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to do giveaway. If I can reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to do giveaway. Don't worry. I'm going to do a big giveaway that everybody will enjoy and appreciate. Okay. Straight to the point now. We are ready. 40 marks. Lawo Kiki, 40 marks. Long. We are ready. Oh, marks all the way. Marks for what? Can you see I'm feeling sleepy? I'm still teaching you. You're still saying free mark. So what are you going to give me? Free mark, Iko. What's free mark? 40 marks, Iko. No, 100 marks. No be only 40 marks. No be only 40 marks. Ritualist. I love your smile, ma. Which one be ritualist again? No. Send your account details, Toib. How much do you have, Toib? Let me subscribe to my channel. I'm going to reach 2,000 subscribers today. Anyway, I'm going to dance. I'm going to celebrate. We are ready. Okay. Measures of variation. Helps to study the important characteristics of distribution. We send kisses and God bless you as reward from us to you, ma. I don't want kisses, just kisses. Kisses answer. And me, I want subscribers. It's great. Okay, the range. Okay, I start with this. Taib, Ichoko. Wow, your smile is highly contagious. Okay, keep laughing, everybody. Marks for Ramadan. Meat for Ramadan. It's not only marks. Measures of variation. If you cannot see me, please. If you cannot see the board, please tell me on time. Maybe I should write on only this part of the board. Measures of variation. Measures of variation. What is measures of variation? This helps us in studying the important characteristics of a distribution. Measures of variation help us in studying the important characteristics of a distribution. It helps us to study the important characteristics of a distribution. I don't want to write that on the board because it will take so much energy and effort. So, measures of variation. This helps us to study the important characteristics of a distribution. I hope your notes are ready. I hope your notes are ready. your notes are ready. I will marry you, ma. I will marry you. Maybe you should go and bring Angel from Heaven to sub to your channel because all family has joined your channel, including. Don't worry, God will do it. Don't worry yourself. So, like we're saying, measures of variation. This helps in studying the important characteristics of element of any distribution. And like we say, what's variation? Variation means the extent or the differences, the disparity of the figures or the question. I'm going to write a particular illustration on the board now for everybody to see. And I'm going to, oh yeah, no more useless chat. Oh. Let's be serious. Okay, thank you, Toye. Okay, let's see. You see that the variation in each of these series I'm going to write on the board differs or are different. So let's just take an example of what a variation is. 50K subscribers for 100,000. Give me now. 100,000 is a small money now. Ritualist. Okay, so how do I do it? 50K subscribers. I'll give you 100K. Okay. Hope everybody can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope everybody can see. I hope everybody can see. Please tell me if you are seeing or if you are not seeing the board so that I don't waste my energy. Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay, for series 1 now, let me just. Okay, there's no need of bullying it. If you look at this 100, we have 100, we have 100, we have 100, and we have 100. I hope everybody can hear my voice, or do I need to attach a mic? Okay, let me attach my mic in case you can't hear me. Can you hear me? Is the voice audible enough? We can see. Clear. My voice, is it audible? Or should I attach a mic? My voice. Angelina, my voice. Can you hear me? Just write, we can, okay, is audible. Okay, we can hear you. Okay. Then this one, we have 100, we have 105, we have 102, 102, we have 103, then we have 90. Then for the last one, we have 4, 1, 8, 88, 488, 488. We have 3, we have 3. Okay, let's say. Then we have 5. We have 5. We have 5. We have 3. And we have, okay, what's remaining? This one is 95, 6. Then we have 4. Okay, if you can see the board, we want to see the disparity or the variance of all the values that we have added on the board. I want to add up all the figures. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 500. Then 100 plus 105, 205, plus 102, 307, plus 103, 307, 410, 410 plus 90, we still have 500. Then for series C, we have 1 plus 487, that's 488. Or let's say 487 plus 3, that's 490. 490 plus 1, 491 plus 5, 496, then plus 4, 500. If you can see what is on the board, okay, you need no need of mic, ma. Okay, we can hear you. I won't go bomb, Jerry. I don't leave book for you people. Good night. You won't go bomb or you no get data. Today's class is well organized. Everything is clear, not like yesterday. Thanks for the upgrade. Thank you, Taib. Okay, so we can see that from we want to see the distance between each and every of the items on the board, or the values on the board. If you look at 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, we say this kind of series does not have variance, or does not have disparity, does not have variance, or does not have disparity. Then if you look at series B, 100, 105, 102, 103 and 90, though it has variance or disparity, but it is not much, because the difference between 100 and 105 is just 5. The difference between 105 and 102 is 3. The difference between 102 and 103 is 1. Then the difference between 103 and 90 is about 13, which is not so very high. Okay, let's now look at the last series. The last series is series C. 1 minute, please. I'm trying to see. Okay. The last series now is series C. We have 1. Can you see the difference between 1 and 8? 487 is large. That is when we say the disparity, the variance or the disparity between this value is large. 1, 487, 5, 3 and 4. The disparity between 1 and 5 is not much. 1 and 3, 1 and 4. But between 1 and 8, 487, between 5 and 487, between 3 and 487, between 4 and 487 is large. Ma, please, can you shift the time to 8 p.m.? You must really love your job, ma. Oh God. Different comments. You people, you are the people that choose. It was the class that chose 10 p.m. One, because of network in Molite, then two, because of data. By 11 now, there will be free data for all to use. So we stop our class by 12 today. So enjoy, follow on and enjoy. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay, so what else do we need to know? My little network is bad. I appreciate you are doing this, ma. Okay. Like I said, series A, none of the item deviates from the arithmetic mean. How do we get the arithmetic mean? I've told you before, arithmetic mean is summation x all over n. Summation here is what? 500 all over 5. That is what? 500, that's 100. So there is none of the items deviates from the arithmetic mean, and hence there is no dispersion. None of the items deviates from the arithmetic mean. So we say there is no dispersion, because summation 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 I hope everybody can see, summation x all over n is mean. And what is the total? Summation of x, or summation of a. That's 500 all over 5. That is 100. Then this is A. Then for B, we still have summation x all over n. We still 500 all over what? 5. That is still 100. For summation C, we have summation of x all over n. Is still 500 all over 5. Is still what? 100. So for series A, my little network is not good. For series A, not the item deviates from the arithmetic mean, and hence there is no dispersion. Only one item perfectly represented by the arithmetic mean. The other items vary from the arithmetic mean in a small dimension or quantity. Then for series C, no single item is represented by the arithmetic mean, and the items vary widely from one another. No single value is represented in the arithmetic mean, and it varies from one another. Okay, what are the objectives? It's audible. What are the objectives of measuring variation? What are the objectives of measuring variation? One of the first objective of measuring variation is for comparison, to compare one value to the other. Like we have compared these three series, is for comparison. One of the objects of measuring variation is for what? Comparison. Then also, another objective is to facilitate the use of other statistical measures. Is to facilitate the use of other statistical measures. Is to facilitate the use of other statistical measures. Then what are the properties of a good variation? It should be simple to understand. It should be simple to compute. I think those two that I've given should be okay. Then what are the methods of studying variation? What are the methods now? I write the method on the board quickly. Simple to understand, yes. Then it should be easy to compute. It should be simple to. It should stop by one. I want to go to church tomorrow now. You must really love your job. I appreciate doing this, ma. I appreciate you doing this, ma. Good night. Good night. Anybody that wants to go and sleep should go and sleep and should not disturb me, Jare. My little network is now good, though. Okay, hallelujah, Sandra. It's audible, yes, simple to understand. Come again, Bobby. Simple to understand and it should be easy to compute. Simple to understand and it should be easy to compute. Then methods of studying variation now. Methods of studying variation. Methods. The first one is range. I'm trying to look at your comment. Oh, ma, please come again. You should be affected by extreme. You should not be affected by extreme variation. I didn't say that. It's not everyone that do free data on YouTube, ma. Okay, you can do free data. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just trying to look back so that I can know what you people are saying. Interquarter range, interquarter, interquarter range, interquarter range. Then we have quarter deviation, three. Quarter deviation, quarter deviation, 4. We have mean deviation, deviation. We have standard deviation. Deviation, and the last one is variance. Can we see? Ma, I did not understand the illustration. Which illustration are you talking about? Tell me, oh, which illustration? Which illustration are you talking about? Please tell me. Ma, I did not understand the illustration. We appreciate you, ma. It's not everyone that okay. I will not go hard again. I won't go sleep. I no go hard again. I'll go and sleep now. Lawal, Okiki, go and sleep now. Are you following me? Are you following me? Or I should go and sleep too? If you are following, let me see your hands up. If you are following, say hello. If you are following, say hello before I start. Interquarter range. Number 2 is interquarter. Interquarter range. Okay, hello. I can see it. I can't see it well. Okay. Why? Okay. Go and sleep, ma. It's getting late. Virtualist. Thank you. Don't let me sleep. Let me teach my students. Thank you. Ma, move on. The time is running fast. Okay. Please come again. Come again, Ke. Imagine come again, Joe. Put your setting to standard quality. Okay. What does standard quality means, Bobby? What about Kwemi? Faisal. Can you say hello? Is Faisal here? Faisal. Opeyemi. Okay. We're starting with range now. And range is the simplest method of studying variation or dispersion. You can say variation or dispersion. Range is the simplest method. Interquarter range or quarter deviation, still the same thing. Please, how do the YouTube night for Airtel? Mine is not working far. Let it work, oh please. Because we are doing accounting, we are doing economics and some other courses that you have sent to me that you have challenge or challenges. Okay, so like I said, range is the simplest method of studying variation. Range is the simplest method of studying variation. And the formula is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value. Range. One, range. What's the formula for range? Largest value. Value minus lowest value. Largest value minus lowest value. Man, I'm talking to the guy that said he can't see clearly. Okay. Okay, can we all see the board? Largest value minus lowest value. Hello, okay. Largest value minus lowest value. Largest value minus lowest value. And it is written L minus, or we can say smallest value, so that we can say smallest value. We can say smallest value. So we can say L minus S. L minus S. Range is L minus X. Range is L minus X. Range is L minus X. Range is L, the largest value. L means the largest value and S means the smallest value. No, there are other schedules for Monday. There are other schedules for accounting economics on Monday. So Monday, Sunday, Monday, I don't know. Yes, ma, can we fix the class morning before church service? Coefficient of range now. Coefficient of range is equals to largest value minus smallest value all over largest value plus smallest value. That's the formula. Can we replace the largest value with the highest value, because we have use smallest value? Okay, yes, you can say highest value, but you can say highest value is still the same thing. The most important thing is for you to know that it is the biggest value minus the smallest value, or the largest value or the highest value minus the smallest value. So let's take an example. Illustration one now. I'm cleaning the board up. I'm cleaning the board off. Please write as fast as you can so that we can cover a lot. Okay. Let's look at an illustration now. Find range. Find range. Find range. Then days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. And these are the prices. Prices of commodities. these are the prices, and we are to look for range. So let's say this is 2000, this is 2100, this is 2100, this is 2080, this is 2080, this is 1600, 1600, 2200, then the last one is 2500. We are to look for the range, and don't forget that what we are looking for is only the highest value and the lowest value. If you look at the days now, we don't have much to do with the days. So now let's look at the 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 prices. The least price is 1600. The smallest value is 1600. The biggest value or the highest value, I'm cooking because I'm just getting home. Okay, 2500. And our range is what? The formula for range is what? L minus S, largest minus smallest. So we come here and say 2500 minus 1600. What do we have? 900. Abi? Yes, 900. And the coefficient of range will be L minus S all over L plus X. That is what? 2500. I'm going to write here so that we can. 2000 2500 minus 1600 all over 2500 plus 1600. That is what? 900 all over 4100. 900. So if you divide this and divide this, our answer is 9 all over 41. Let me sit down and listen to all your comments. Can you all hear me? Do you understand range? Before I move to interquarter range. Do we understand range? We dey grab am ma. I feel you. Aloma. Okay. Try to use iPhone in the next class. Your phone camera is blur. Who are you talking to? Me, I'm not using phone. I'm using my laptop. Are you talking to me that the camera is blur? Is it clearer now? You can no, yes, you can leave it in fraction or anyone that you like. Ma, you're blocking our view. Ready to learn besides the Tope. Please, if you are done writing, say hello. If you are done writing, so that I can go to the next one. Okay. Most people are done writing. Okay. So I'm going to clean off now. Remove. Okay, I'm Larry. Hello. Okay, now. The next one is what? The next one is quarter deviation. The next one is quarter deviation. The next one, okay. Some of the merits of ranges is the simplest, is one of the most easiest to compute, or it is easy to compute. Then it also take minimal time to calculate. It takes minimal time to calculate. It is the simplest. It is easy to compute. Then it takes minimal time to calculate. Then limitations. Range is not based on each and every item of the distribution. Range is not based on each and every item of the distribution. Range is not based on each and every item of the distribution. Now we go to interquartile and quartile deviation. Interquartile first. This Q. Interquartile and quartile deviation. Interquartile and quartile deviation. For interquartile deviation, the formula is hello, okay. Everybody can hear me, right? We move. Okay, then the coefficient of quartile deviation. The coefficient would be, how do I explain the coefficient? Q3 minus Q1 all over Q3 plus Q1. Q3 minus Q1 all over Q3 plus Q1. Q3 minus Q1 all over Q3 plus Q1. I'm going to explain in a simple term as far as I can explain. I'm going to write a question on the board now. Hello, ma. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. The board is small. Okay. Then, so what do we do from here? The first thing is to arrange in ascending or descending order. When we say arrange in ascending or descending order, it means that you are arranging from the smallest to the biggest, or you are arranging from the biggest to the smallest. Now, please read out so that there is no mistake. Okay, 20, 28, 40, 12, 30, 15, 50. 20, 28, 40, 12, 30, 15, and 50. Yes, we understand. Okay, so The first thing is to arrange in either ascending or descending order. I'll use ascending, that is from the smallest to the biggest. From the smallest to the biggest. So we are arranging now. Ascending order. To arrange in ascending order. And looking at, to be sincere, under the hot sun every Monday, sorry ma, the range answer whether is the end of the working or it still needs to continue. You can leave it at any point. You can continue, you can leave it. It depends. I don't have a calculator here, that's why I just left it at 9/41 for the person asking me that question. Senator Adebayo, I just left it like that. Okay, to arrange in ascending order now. So starting from the smallest is 12. Next to 12 is 15. Next to 15, 12, 15, 20, 12, 15, 20, 28, 30, 40, then 50. I've arranged it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can anybody see? Sorry, ma, on the range answer. Okay, I've answered that question. Can everybody see? So I've arranged 12, 15, 20, 28, 30, 40, and 50. And what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to, don't forget that we are looking at quarter, interquarter or quarter range, a quarter deviation. Quarter means what? 1/4. Quarter means 1/4 of anything that we are doing. Quarter means 1/4 of the nth item. If you have a piece of orange, and you have to share into quarter, it means you cut like this into 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means quarter is 1/4 of this orange. 1/4 of this orange. If you also have what else? You have a cake and you have to cut into quarter. You have a piece of cake or a piece of cake. Let's say the cake comes this way and you have to share into quarter will be 1/4 in 4 places. Ma, this video is very clear. Thank you. Moreni KG, thank you so much. I'm grateful. Okay, so 4 places. So quarter is 1/4. So the only thing we are going to add to this formula for Q1, don't forget that we said our formula is Q3 minus Q1. So how do we get those formulas? Now, for Q1, our formula is n plus 1/4 item. I see all over the 4th item. Then Q3 is 3 into bracket n plus 1/4th item. All over 4th item. Ma, the video is very clear. Please, if you understand what is on the board, can you raise up your hand before I move on? Say hello if you understand what I'm saying. Say hello. I'm not seeing any hello. I'll sit down. Okay, people are raising up their hands. Okay, now let's start with Q1. Q1 says n plus 1/4 nth item. N plus 1/4 nth item. See what I will do. What is n from the board? N is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The numbers that we have is 7. So I come here and say Q1 is 7 plus 1/4. 7 plus 1/4th item. So I come 7 plus 1 is 8/2. 8/4 rather. nth item. Then 8 divided by 4. What do we have? 8 divided by 4. So the answer is the second item. The answer is the second item. Okay, the second item. So we come to the board and look at the second item. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the second item on the board? 15. So Q1 is equals to 15. Q1 is equals to 15. Q1 is equals to 15. I love the flow. I love this. We are flowing. Okay, thank you for loving this. Thank you for flowing. Okay, so Q1 is 15. Q1 is 15 now. Let's now find out. I'm going to clean this part so that the board does not become too clumsy. I'm going to clean this part. We have known that Q1 is 15. So I'm going to clean up this part so that I can work Q3. Now, Q3 is 3 into bracket n plus 1 all over 4th item. N is 7, like we said earlier on. Ask your question if you have any question. Q3 is now equals to 3. N is 7 plus 1 all over 4th item. So 3 into bracket 8 all over 4th item. So if you 3 into bracket 2, item must always be at it. So 2 times 3 times 2 is the 6th item. So our Q3 coming to the 6th item, our Q3 is 40. This is the 6th item. The 6th item on the board is 40. The 6th item, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. So the 6th item is 3. So Q3 is equal to 40. Q3 is equal to 40. Q3 is equal to 40. It's already 11 p.m. Q3 is equal to 40. Do we understand? Please, let me know if you understand before I move on. Say yes if you understand. So we now know Q1 and Q3 now. Let's now move to quarter deviation. I'm cleaning the buff. Can I clean? Yes, okay. So quarter deviation now. We look at quarter deviation. And I say the formula for quarter deviation. The formula for quarter deviation is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. What is our Q3? Q3 is what? 40 from the board. Q3 is 40. Ma, I did not understand. What part? Minus 15 all over 2. So 15 minus 12. 40 minus 15, we have 25. 25 divided by 2, we have what? 12.5. So our quarter deviation answer is 12.5. What about the coefficient of quarter deviation? The formula is Q3 minus Q1 all over Q3 plus Q1. we have 40 minus 15 all over 40 plus 15, and that is equals to 25 all over 55. Abi, yes, 5 here 5, then 5 here 1 1. So we can leave it at that. Yes, I understand. I did not understand. Miriam, Alashimi, Alasimi. Please, what part is it that you don't understand? Please tell me if you understand or not. Let me see what. Let's see if you understand or not. Let's see. If you have any question, can you ask your questions now? I understand. Okay. Can you ask your question now? Can I continue? Say yes. Excuse me, ma. If you don't mind, we get you a bigger whiteboard to make it more convenient for you. Don't worry. This is just should be it's just a temporary arrangement to help us now since we are home and we are having exams. So this is just a temporary arrangement. It's not going to be forever like this. Yes, you can move on. Can I clean now? I'm going to also do another example on discrete series and on this is just an individual series. So let's do an example on continuous series or discrete series. Discrete series also is almost like this, but let me do an example on discrete series, then I'll now move on to continuous series. So please come along with me. Okay, let's proceed. Please, ma. Does Q have a full meaning? It's just Q. Quarter deviation is just Q. We are following you, ma. Okay, we move. Okay, let's move. We move. Oh yeah, we move. Yeah, let's move. Okay, let's look at a discrete series question now. This illustration 2 now. No, let me waste the board. Don't let me waste the board. So let me write with hope everybody can see. Okay. Marks. I'm trying to write boldly so that everybody can see. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then 60. Then we have F, frequency. We have 4, we have 7, we have 15, 8, 7, and 2. If we are to add this together, 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 15, that's 26. 26 plus 8, that's 34. 34 plus 7, that's 41. 41 plus 2, that's 43. But that's not where we are going. We still need cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. And I know in median, I taught you that cumulative frequency will be 4 plus 0 is 4. Then 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 15, 26. 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 7, 41. 41 plus 2, we have 43. Yes, we have 43. And don't forget that we said interquartile range is Q1. Then interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Then quarter range is Q3 minus Q1 all over 2. So let's go into action. Okay, so interquartile formula is Q3 minus Q1. Don't forget quarter deviation is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. I'm going to clean this up very soon. Ma, you are feeling sleepy already. Yeah, I will finish the class. 1 minute, please. I have something. I'm feeling sleepy already. Please, 1 minute. I'll be with you in a moment. Okay, sorry about that. I got a message I needed to respond. So I'm going to clean up this part now and start working what Q1 is and what Q2 is. Don't forget that we said Q1. How do we get Q1? Q1 is what n plus 1 all over fourth or all over fourth item. Okay. N all over 1 hence item. So let's try to work it out. So Q1, what is n here? Because this is a discrete series. N cannot be 10 plus 20 plus 30. These are max. The n for discrete series is the total of the frequency. That is the total of the cumulative frequency. So n here is 43 plus 1 all over fourth item. All over fourth item. Maybe I rule this part so I can work on it too. Item. So this will be equals to 44 all over 4 nth item. And that is what? 4 year 1, 11th item. 11th item. So 11th item. Where is the 11th item? The 11th item is here. So Q1 is 11. Q1 is 11. Q1 is 11. Mine is not clear. Oh, I'm lost. Don't be lost, oh, please. Oh, don't be lost, yo. Okay, that's Q1. Then Q3 now is 3 into bracket n plus 1 nth item. n plus 1 nth item all over 4. So 3 into bracket n, as we said, is 43 plus 1 all over 4 nth item. So we come and say 3 into bracket 44 all over 4 nth item. So 3 multiplied by 11, that's what? 33. So you come to the board and come and find the first value that can conveniently take 33, and it is 34. So our Q3 lies here. Q3 is 34 because that's the first value that can conveniently take 33. So our Q3 lies here. Our Q1 lies there. Q1 lies in 11 because it is 11. Q1, then Q3. Then for interquartile deviation now, interquartile. Our formula is what? Q3 minus Q1. What is Q3? 33. What is Q1? What is Q1? There's a little bit of mistake here, but I'm going to adjust it now. Q3 minus Q1. We don't use the value that we have gotten. We come to the class, to the max, and use, because the max is our focus. We come to the max. Is the max that we are dealing with. So Q3, the value for Q3 is 40. The value for Q3 is 40, and the value for Q1 is 20. So our answer is what? 20. Then for interquartile deviation now, can I claim? Where is the closing time? We are fasting tomorrow by 12. We are going to end this class by 12. How is n 43? Okay. The total, because this is the discrete series, this is not an individual series. The total of n, the total of frequency, excuse me, becomes the new n. The total of our frequency becomes the new n, the person that is asking that question. So I'm going to work out the last one now. I'm looking for somewhere to clean on this board. I'm looking for, okay, let me just do quarter deviation here. The formula is Q3 minus Q1 all over 2. Q3 is 40 minus 20 divided by 2. That's 20 all over 2, and that is 10. Then coefficient now. Coefficient is Q3 minus Q1 all over Q3 plus Q1. So the answer is 40 minus 20 all over 40 plus 20, and that is 20 over 60. 0 here, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So we have 1 all over 3. If you understand, can you say I? If you understand, please say hello before we go to the continuous series. Let me explain. Before we go to the continuous series. Hi. Faisal is not here now. Why are you asking him? Where is it? Where is he? Faisal is not here. He's not here. Can I continue? If you want me to continue, can you say yes, please? If you want me to continue, can you say yes, please? Okay, one person. Are other people online? Raymond Charles, I slept off. Sorry. Yes, please. The late one is not clear. Oh. The last one. Okay, yes, ma. Opeyemi Ayode. I'm here, sir. We have 50 people online. Bobby, what is happening? Faisal, what is happening? We have just 50 people online. Can you share the link? Please, we have just 54 now. 54 people online. What is happening? Can you please share the link? Are people sleeping off or what? Should we continue? Okay. The last one I'm going to teach us on this is called the continuous series. Before we even go to mean, standard deviation, and variance. The last one I'm going to teach us here is called the continuous series of this interquartile range and 'Let's see if this marker will be better. Illustration 3. Hey, is this marker okay? "39, 46, 34, 33, 16, 11, and 14. The first thing we have to do is not clear, ma. What part is not clear? Please, can we talk out what part is not clear before I continue? What part is not clear? What part? Please put in your question. What part is not clear? The body is not clear anymore. Drink water, ma. Okay. Sadiat, I'm drinking water. Oh. Ola, come. The body is not clear. I don't understand, ma. Okay. The tables or the table marks the discrete and continuous series under quarter and yes, interquarter deviation. That's what we are still doing. We have 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Then the frequency, we have 39, 46, 34, 33, 16, 11, and 14. 36, 39, 30, 46, 34, 33, 16, 11, and 14. I've read it out. 39, 46, 34, 33, 16, 11, and 14. So I'm going to add up all these things now to find the cumulative frequency. 9, 9 plus 6, 15. Yes. 9 plus 6, 15, plus 4, 19, plus 3, 22, plus 6, 28, plus 1, 27, plus 4, 31. Remaining 3. 3 plus 3, 6, plus 4, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 3, 16, plus 1, 17, 18, 19. So we have 191. Okay, so what is my cumulative frequency now? The first one will be added to 0, that's 39. 39 plus 46, what do I have? This is 5, 7, 85. 85 plus 34, 9, 11, 119. 119 plus 33, 2. This one, remaining 1. This one is 4. That's 5. 152. 152 plus 16, 8, 6, 1. 168. 168 plus 11, 9, 7. 179. 179 plus 14. This 3. Remaining 1, 8, 9. 193. 193. Okay, let me calculate this again. 15. Okay, 10 plus 12, 22. 22 plus 6. 22 plus 6, 28. 29. Yes, 33. Okay. 193 is the answer. 193 is the answer. I think there is a mistake. Okay. Add footies, abeg. You go teach me, abeg. Listen well. Sleep dey disturb me. Go and sleep. I'm going. Once I finish this one, maybe I'll stop. Once I finish this continuous series, then we'll do mean deviation and standard deviation tomorrow. Then on Monday, we are doing accounts. On Monday evening, on Monday, I don't know the time yet. We are doing accounts. On Monday, we are doing accounts. On Monday, we are doing accounts, but tomorrow we finish mean deviation, standard deviation, and variance, so that everybody can go to sleep. It's 11:30 already. Total, uh, total is 9:35. Ojo, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ pé 9:35? Olúwadámiláre Ọláìwájú, are you sleeping? Olúwadámilọ́lá Ọláìwájú, are you sleeping? So now, Q1 is what? N plus 1 over 4. So what is N? 193. 193 plus 1 over 4. So that's 194. 194 divided by 4. 194 divided by 4. 4 in 16. 4 in 16. What do we have? 4. 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 3. Then 4 in 34. 4 in 34. That's 8. 32. Remaining 2. 4 in 25. We have 48.5. Ma, the total frequency is 193. Thank you. 190, not 191. Thank you. So 48.5. If you come to the cumulative frequency, let's look at the cumulative frequency. What value can take 48.5 conveniently? The value is here. This is Q1. Q1. Then Q3. Q3 is equals to N plus 1 over 4, 3 into bracket N plus 1, nth item. So we say 3 multiplied by 48.5. 3 multiplied by 48.5. What do we have? $145.5. So our answer is 145.5. 145.5. 145.5. So you come here and see where 145.5 can conveniently take. And this is Q3. This is Q3. This is Q3. But the formula for continuous series is a bit different. The formula for continuous series is a bit different. So I'm going to write out the formula on the board now so that we can see. The formula for continuous series is a bit different. Q1. Please, I want to clean up this part. Can we write fast so I can clean up this part? Okay, Q1 is equal to L plus N plus 1 over 4 minus CF, cumulative frequency all over frequency, times class intervals. Clean it, ma. Times class interval. So we come to Q1. What is the L means lower class interval? What is the lower class interval for Q1? The lower class interval for Q1 is 10. So 10 plus N over 4. N plus 1 over 4. We have 48.5 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class, like we did for median. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that's 39. That's 39 all over the frequency, that's 46, multiplied by class interval is 10. Our class interval is 10. Our class interval is 10. Our class interval is 10. Can everybody see me or hear me? So we come here and say Q1 is equals to 10 plus 48.5 minus 39. 48.5 minus 39. That's 9.5. So we have plus 9.5 all over 46 times 10. So multiply by 10. We have 95. So we say Q1 is equals to 10 plus 95 divided by 46. So 95 divided by 46, what do we have? So Q1 is equal to 10 plus 2.06, and Q1 is equals to 12.06. Q1 is equals to 12 point. Ma, please the formula again. L plus N plus 1, L plus, this is a big plus, L lower class interval plus N plus 1 over 4 minus cumulative frequency all over frequency times C class intervals. So I do the same for Q3 now. The same way I've done for Q1, I'll do for Q3 now. So Q3 now is now equals to L plus 3 into bracket N plus 1 all over 4 minus CF times C. This one all over F. So we come to Q3. What is the lower class interval? 30. Repeat the formula again, ma. Okay, Q3 is now equals to 30 plus 3 multiplied by 48.5. What do we get that time? 3 multiplied by 145. So we have 145.5 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class. That is 145.5 minus 119 all over frequency 33 multiplied by what? 10. I can't see this, please. Okay, you see now. That's 145 minus 119. That's, we have 30 plus 26.5 multiplied by 10 divided by 33. So multiply by 10. So we have 30 plus Q3 30 plus 265 divided by 33. 265 divided by 33. So 30 plus 8.03. So Q3 is now equals to 38.03, and 38.03. I'm going to clean 48.9. Where is 48.9? 152, 11, not 119, 152. Where did you see 152? No, the cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 119, not 152. I want to clean off a part. Please put in your questions so that I can answer all the questions. Put in your questions so that I can answer all the questions. What are your questions? Please, ma, I can't see explain the formula again. Q3. The Q3 formula is L plus. Don't forget that for individual series, for Q3 is 3 into bracket n plus 1 all over 4 nth item. For individuals, for Q1, it is n plus 1 all over 4th item. So that's the same formula I've brought into this continuous series. Ma, read out the last two lines. The light is not making me to see. Okay, the light is not making you to see. Okay, let me take the light away so that you can see. Or should I switch off the light? Okay, can you see now? Q3 is L plus 3 into bracket n plus 1 all over 4 minus CF, cumulative frequency, all over frequency times C. C is class intervals. C is class intervals. Okay, what part is it that you don't understand in the continuous series? The workings is not clear. Okay. What part is not clear so I can write it again? It is clear, ma. Okay. Is it 9.5 or 95? 9.5. This one is 9.5 now. 48.5 minus 39 is 9.5. Ma, the workings is the second one is not clear. Okay. 3 into bracket n plus 1 all over 4 is 145.5 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 119 all over frequency 33 multiplied by 10, the class intervals. Q1, I don't understand. Okay, ma, please, I don't understand Q1. Omo phone don fall my hand o. Omo phone don fall for my hand o. Q1 ma. Okay ma, cleared. Q1 L plus N plus 1 all over 4 minus CF all over F times C. So the lower class interval for Q1 is 10 from the board. So I wrote 10 plus N plus 1 all over 4 is 48.5 minus the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that's 39, all over frequency of that class, that's 46, multiplied by 10. You better, you better go and read. You better go and read and stop following up this one. Go and read, go and read. Okay, okay. You have done all the assignments, right? Okay, no problem then. All right, okay. Bye-bye. Okay, do we have any other question? Once it's 12, we are closing this class. Ma, please, can you use the Q1 and Q3? I've explained it now. Times 10. 10. 10 is the class intervals. C is class intervals. And class interval is the difference between the lower class interval and the upper class interval. And that is 10. 10 minus 0 is 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. 30 minus 20 is 10. 40 minus 30 is 10. 50 minus 40 is 10. 60 minus 50 is 10. 70 minus 60 is 10. I'm still waiting for more questions, ma. No, many Cosweg is not signed. Bobby, why? Why? 4 minutes to go. Yes, my time is saying 2 minutes to go. This is 11:58 here. I really appreciate your kindness and support that you render to us. This is a great opportunity. Azelkos, thank you. God bless you. I'm grateful. I've learnt enough. Thank you. Sweet dreams. Ganiat. Oh, Gani, you. Ajala Gani, good night. Sweet dreams to each and every one of you. I wish you a wonderful night rest. 1 minute to go. A minute to go. A minute to go. A minute to go. Once it's 12, I'm closing this class. Once it's 12, I'm closing this class. Sweet dreams, everyone. Good night. Once it's 12, few minutes more. Few minutes more. Once it's 12, I'm ending this live stream. So we'll continue from where we stopped tomorrow. Love you too, Angelina Rosaline. Good night, ma. Sweet dreams. Kadijat. Good night, sweet dreams. Good night, sweet dreams. Once it's 12, I'm going to end this class. We love you. Love you too. It's 12 on the dot. I'm going to church tomorrow very early. So I have to say good night to each and every one of you. Thank you for joining this live section. I'm eager to teach you more since it is an avenue to learn. An exam is fast approaching. Ma, can you give us AOC for your coming exam? No AOC. This is I'm just teaching you. No AOC. Everything I've taught you will come out. No AOC. Nice one. Olamide, good night. Olamide, nice one. You people are not serious. This one died. Good night. Bye. We cannot shut down now. Bye. But let me just leave it until the last person goes off. Until the last person goes off. I'll be checking it until the last person goes off. I'm going off. Until the last person goes off. I'm shutting down all my lights now so that I can sleep. Until the last person goes off. 14 people are still online. 15 now. Until the last person goes off. Many people want to keep watching, even though I've shut my lights. Okay. You see, I have 18 people online. Okay. Seventeen people more. 12 more people are still online if you get mind. Last man standing. Okay. Until the last person is gone before I shut down completely. Tell more people. Last man standing if you get mind. Mubarak. Okay, 8 people more. Ma, go and sleep. I want to shut down when the last person. Okay, let me shut down like this so that I can sleep. Good night, everyone.